Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to create a custom network topology using the NetSIM Network Designer. This is the topology that you will create in this lab. First, click the Add Device icon on the toolbar. Expand the available router list. Expand the 2800 series list. Select 2811. Then select 4 serial from the add-on drop-down list. Click the radio button next to the next text box in the choose a name for your router area. Type core into the text box in the choose a name for your router area. Click create a router. Repeat the previous step and add 3 more 2811 routers. Name router 2, router 3 and router 4. You should be able to use the default name as they appear for each. Click the add new device icon on the toolbar and expand the available switches list. Expand the 3500 series list. Now that all of the devices have been added to this lab, arrange the device in a similar manner to that. Then next, create fast Ethernet connection. Create link between PCs and switches. Right click PC1 and select new connection. Select switch 1 from the remote device drop down list. Verify that and click connect. Previous step and add connection between PC2 and switch 2, between PC3 and switch 3 and between PC4 and switch 4. Create link between switches and the routers. Your topology should now look similar to the following. Then next, create a serial connection. Right click router 4 and select new connection. Select serial 01 from the local interface. Then next, create a frame relay connection. Right click core and select new connection. Select serial from the interface type. Select the frame relay radio button. Verify that router 2 is selected in the remote device drop down list and click connect. Type cloud in the name field. Then click the apply setting. Move the resulting cloud to the appropriate position in the topology. Your topology should now look. Then next save the topology. Now that you have created the topology, you should save it to your computer by clicking the save icon in the toolbar. Note that is option will not run when NetSim is in demo. I hope सबको क्लियर हो गया हो. Thank you everyone.